Hi friends, welcome to Smart Technology. Friends, today in this video we are going to have a look at OnePlus Nord Invitation cardboard box. So this is available from in Amazon. So I don't know whether it is available now or not. So I purchased this from Amazon for rupees 99 rupees. So they have mentioned that we will get assured gifts. So let's see what they give. According to the website, they will take a lottery on the launch day and give one OnePlus TV Q1, OnePlus Nord, one OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z, and Amazon and 1,000 rupees gift coupons. Let's have a look. So if you look at here, we have the pricing MRP of rupees 99 rupees. So let's open it. So this is it. So now let's open it. So it's good to open like this. So the below one is the cardboard box, and we have a small information here. If you want to read it, pause and read it. So next we have a cardboard box. This is the main cardboard sheet to which we can experience the OnePlus Nord. So this is the same QR code on the cardboard sheet also. So let's have a look how to watch it in the phone. So we have to download any QR code scanner from Play Store or scan the QR code and open website. So open with Chrome, and this asks for camera permissions for allow. Click on allow. So this is how keep the cardboard sheet in front of it, and you can be able to see the phone. So OnePlus Nord live in 5 days, 3 hours and 36 minutes. So this is the front side of the and sides of the OnePlus Nord. So you can have a look on it. So back side is not available to see. It works only for the front side. So this is how it is. So I hope you like this video. For more videos, and next the OnePlus Nord pre-booking pre-order box is coming up. So if you want to watch that video, please like, share and subscribe to the Smart Technology channel.